All right, so going through classes and IDs with CSS. Right now I have all the X-Men characters with the class of X-Men and the Avengers with the class of Avengers. I also have the leaders with a class of leader. So if you want to style specific classes to signify that it is a class in CSS, what you will do is the period symbol, and then type in the class name. So notice that when you're styling a tag, you are just writing the tag name. To do a class, you start with a period, and then the class name. So from here, you can do color. So what color should we make the X-Men? Red. Save, and then refresh. There we go. So now only the X-Men are red, and then let's do the same thing for the Avengers. Avengers. What color should we make the Avengers? I can't hear you. What? Cyan. Is that a color? I don't think it is, because it's highlighting purple, which to me doesn't seem right. Light blue? Nope. Maybe there's a dash in there? Nah, it doesn't work. Maroon? Let's see that. Okay, cool. So maroon's a color. All right. Now we have leaders. Let's say we want to treat those leaders a little differently. So we'll do leader. Instead of a color, since they're already colored, let's do style, or maybe is it font style? Oh, font weight. There we go. Font weight, bold. And then refresh. So now you can see that the leaders are bolded. And then let's say you want to get specific for just a single person or a single element or element or thing. What you could do instead of a class, and you can only use IDs once. So if you use ID Wolverine, you can never use ID Wolverine for another tag on your page. And to signify a ID, you would give the hashtag symbol. So here we'll do hashtag Wolverine. And then we could font him differently. So font, let's say italic for some reason. And then refresh. Oh, that didn't work. I think maybe it's font style. Save and refresh. There we go. So I think this should be style also. Refresh. Nope, I was wrong. Wait. Okay. Also, if you want to get more specific with colors, if you go to the appendix here and go to web colors, this is the Wikipedia site for web colors, all the colors that you can use on the internet. So, oh, it looks different now, but so you can kind of just find the color that you want. So you wanted cyan. So here we go, cyan. So instead of typing in cyan, you have to type in this hex code. The first two digits represent how much red there is. The second two digits represent how much green there is. And the last two digits represent how much blue there is. So if you remember that day in our class when you learned about primary colors and you mix a bunch of the primary colors together, you get all kinds of other shades of colors. Well, that's what's going on over here. So we're going to take the code, and we're going to change the Avengers color to cyan by first typing the hashtag symbol, pasting the code, and then getting rid of the spaces. Save that and refresh. So now we have the cyan color for the Avengers. So that's how you use colors. So you have all kinds of colors to choose from. So I just stick with these right here. And you use that for your background or any other text or anything like that. There's something else I wanted to cover. Something about colors. Oh, yeah. I also had the tech guys put this in your Google Chrome accounts, Google school accounts, and it's called Colorzilla. So you all have this in your browser, and for your personal accounts, you can always just go to the Chrome web store and install this on your Chrome browser. Colorzilla, let's say you go to some website and you want to use that color. So let's say you are looking at this picture, you want to use a specific color. Click on this, click on Color Picker, and then you can, no, not Color Picker, pick from page. Pick color from page. So then you can just point at a certain color. So you want like this red right here. As soon as you click on it, the hex code is copied onto your clipboard. You can go into your code and just paste it right in there. And it does even the hashtag for you. Save that and then refresh over here. So there you go. So now you have this color that you got from this image. So that's Colorzilla. Okay, good. So that's CSS with classes and IDs and also colors.